hold onto your seats, Pixel fans, because the next chapter in Google's flagship saga might be the most exciting yet. The Pixel 11 series isn't just about incremental updates or slightly better cameras. It could finally tackle one of the biggest limitations that has held previous Pixels back, opening the door to blazing fast 5G satellite connectivity and AI performance that feels almost futuristic. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's rewind a bit. The Pixel 10 series arrived with the usual mix of Google's software magic and reliable hardware, but it stuck with Samsung-made Exynos modems, despite rumors of a switch to MediaTek. That didn't happen, but whispers are back, louder and more specific this time. Sources hint that the Pixel 11 series could finally break free from Samsung's modem tech, introducing the MediaTek M90 modem paired with Google's next-gen Tensor G6 processor. And this isn't just a minor change, it's a potential game changer. The MediaTek M90 is built for serious performance. On paper, it supports peak download speeds up to 12 Gbps, dual SIM 5G, sub-6 GHz and mmWave frequencies, and even satellite connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. The Pixel 11 might let you stay connected in emergencies or remote locations where normal networks fail. Pair that with the Tensor G6, expected to bring smarter AI, improved efficiency, and faster processing, and you have a phone that could redefine what flagship really means. But it's not just about raw numbers. Google might also redesign the internal layout and thermal systems to ensure this powerful combo doesn't drain your battery or overheat. If true, the Pixel 11 series could finally deliver that rare trifecta: raw speed, stability, and longevity. And let's not forget software. The new Tensor chip is rumored to enhance AI-driven photography, predictive features, and system optimizations that make the phone feel faster in everyday use than any benchmark can show. The lineup itself could be more diverse than ever. Beyond the standard Pixel 11, leaks suggest we'll see the 11 Pro, 11 Pro XL, and even a foldable 11 Pro Fold, internally known as Yoji. If Google keeps innovating in its foldable segment, we might finally see a Pixel foldable that competes directly with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, with a lighter and more refined design. And there's speculation about ultra, thin, or lightweight variants, possibly in unique colorways, giving users more choice than ever before. There's also an intriguing possibility that Google's partnership with MediaTek could signal a long-term shift in how Tensor chips are paired with modems. If the move proves successful, we might see every future Pixel equipped with high-end MediaTek connectivity, faster updates, and features previously impossible on the Pixel line, like dual active 5G data and satellite-assisted messaging. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet. These are still leaks and speculation, though multiple credible sources are pointing in the same direction. The devices are unlikely to launch before August next year, so we still have time for more surprises. But if even half of these rumors come true, the Pixel 11 could feel like a leap forward in every way, from design to connectivity, AI, and photography. For tech enthusiasts who follow every chip, camera tweak, and design decision, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Pixel releases ever. The combination of MediaTek's powerful modem tech and Google's software ecosystem could finally close the gap with Samsung and Apple, giving Pixel users features previously exclusive to other flagship brands. So, what does this mean for you as a user? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, better gaming performance, more reliable network connections, and potentially even satellite-assisted communication for emergencies. And if Google's rumored thermal and efficiency upgrades hold true, you could see longer battery life and a device that stays cool under heavy load, something Pixel users have often wished for. And then there's the photography angle. With the Tensor G6 chip, Google's AI-powered camera features could take another leap forward, with improved computational photography, smarter night mode, and AI-based adjustments that make photos sharper, more natural, and richer in detail. Combined with faster processing and connectivity, the Pixel 11 could allow for real-time cloud backups and near-instant sharing of high-quality media, a small but meaningful change in how people interact with their devices every day. Finally, let's touch on design. Rumors suggest that Google could rework its chassis and internal layout to optimize for the new modem, thermal improvements, and larger batteries. That could mean a slightly different look, better ergonomics, and a more balanced device overall. And with multiple models rumored, including the foldable variant, users may finally see a Pixel that combines innovation with practicality. In short, the Pixel 11 series has the potential to redefine Google's flagship strategy, pushing network performance, AI capabilities, and overall user experience to new heights. While we're still months away from a confirmed release, the combination of MediaTek M90, Tensor G6, and a refreshed lineup has tech enthusiasts buzzing, and for good reason. So, are you excited about the Pixel 11? Do you think Google will finally deliver on features that have eluded previous generations, or is this just hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more updates. I'll keep you in the loop on every leak, rumor, and official announcement as it comes.